If you're wondering how to use Capsule CRM effectively, this video will walk you through the exact steps your sales team should follow. Step 1. Contact management. First, to understand how to use Capsule CRM, you need to start with contacts. Why it matters? Your CRM is your client database. If it's messy, your sales will be messy too. How to use? Add every lead and client, include notes, email and history and telephone, use tag and custom fields. Common mistake: keeping contacts in Excel or Messenger, adding incomplete data. If you want to learn how to use Capsule CRM, start by building a clean database. Step 2. Sales pipeline. The next step in how to use Capsule CRM is setting up your pipeline. Why it matters? You need to see where your deals are, what stage they are in, what to do next. How to use? Create clear stages. For example, you contacted, proposal, won, more deals step by step. Common mistake: random stages, not updating deals. Without this, you are not really using Capsule CRM. You are just storing contacts. Step 3. Tasks and follow-ups. A key part of how to use Capsule CRM is task management. Why it matters? Sales happen in follow-ups. How to use? Assign ask to every deal. Set reminders. Task deadlines. Common mistake: relying on memory, no follow-up system. If you ignore this, you are not fully using Capsule CRM for sales. Step 4. Notes and communication history. When learning how to use Capsule CRM, this step is often underestimated. Why it matters? You always know what was discussed, what the client needs, how to use. Log every call, save key details, keep communication structure. Common mistake: write notes outside the CRM, losing contacts. Step 5. Tag and data structure. To truly understand how to use Capsule CRM, you need structure. Why it matters? You can filter clients, segment leads, personalize communication. How to use? Tag by source, type or status, use consistent naming. Common mistake: too many random tags, no system. Step 6. Integrations and automation. Advanced level of how to use Capsule CRM. Why it matters? Saves time, reduces manual work. How to use? Connect email, calls, phone, integrate with marketing tools. Common mistake: adding automation before structure. Automation without structure, chaos. If you want to see how to use Capsule CRM in real business setup, book a consultation with me. I will help you set up your pipeline, structure your data, train your team. Contact information is in the description of this video.